Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean up Google Photos. You have to start by opening Google Photos application. After that, click at your profile icon at the right top. And you need to find free up space on this device or free up space. So click at this line, then click delete and delete. So right now, click got it, and in the trash we have these 10 files what I just deleted. Also, what you can do to free up your space. Firstly, I recommend it to clean at the three dots at the right top and click at the stack similar photos. Now we have a stack with duplicates, and also set layout to months. After that, we can check duplicates. So right here, as you can see, we have two photos, the same. This one is duplicate, so we can remove these duplicates to the trash. And you can do this with another duplicates by just removing, and you will free up your space. Then you go to collection, trash, and you can now remove these photos or videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.